Hey, David, did you know that today is a special day?
Casey, when you have Jesus in your heart, every day is a special day.
Well, yeah, but today is special for another reason.
Wait, is it shower day already? I thought that was on Friday.
No, never mind.
Aw, Casey, I'm just kidding you. I know what today is. Happy birthday!
You remembered! Thank you so much! Wait, who's Janet?
Oh, I don't know. I just got that from a thrift shop. But I also got you a gift.
A gift? You didn't have to do that.
I know, right? I'm so nice. Here you go. I baked this bread myself.
Wow, it smells amazing. Can I take a bite?
Of course you can. I would be offended if you didn't.
David, what type of bread is this?
It's bandana bread.
Bandana bread? Are you sure it wasn't supposed to be banana bread?
Oh!